Hello and welcome back to the channel, and this video is going to be a bit of a show me, tell me type video of some bargains recently acquired. Myself and a few friends, we trawl eBay occasionally and see what test equipment's on there, what ranges on there that we all might be interested in. And one of us found what could be a bit of a bargain. Someone was having a bit of a clear on. Their granddad, I think it was their granddad or their dad, had a lot of test equipment, and of course he unfortunately passed away, so his son was trying to clear it out. So we pulled the money together, we chucked a bid in, and we won. And of course we all went through it, through the pictures, decided what we would like, and it was distributed among all of us. And here's what I put dibs on. So the first one, you may see me post this on Twitter. So my Quanta dynamic transistor checker. So you'll put your transistor in there or use the clip leads. Select which type you've got, NPN or PNP, switch it on, and you just twiddle this and the bulb will come on. And obviously the brighter the bulb, it gives you the base current, then you can decide what transistor it is or whether or not that transistor is working or not. I have actually tried this, it's a bit intermittent, so I think it needs a bit of a cleaning and fettling. But yeah, quite like it. Lovely. Next thing I got was a little clamshell case, a Heathkit transistor checker, and it's an IT18 for your Heathkit fans out there. Same kind of deal, use the clip leads, use that to calibrate it, so the needle goes down, hit test and it'll tell you the beta for it. Notice you can do leakage with it as well. It does work, I've checked a few transistors with it. So, I must say it's a pain in the neck getting it out of the clamshell case. Next thing I bagsied was, yes, another transistor checker, but this is a homebrew one. I couldn't find a maker's mark, so I opened it up, and it's homebrew, same kind of deal. PNP transistor, NPN, hit test, you get your microampere current. I must say, for a homebrew made, it's quite well made, that is. Not got a battery for it yet, it takes one of their 9 volters. Next up was a my Quanta auto range digital multimeter. It does need a bit of a clean. I do quite like this one, so I'm definitely going to keep a hold of this one. It's got memory to it, a data hold, buzzer for continuity, does a transistor checker. I have seen a video on eBay and there is a special plug for doing that, so might have to source one of them. And it is battery powered, takes those type batteries for them. But yeah, it does work to a point, so I'm going to have to do some checks on that. Also, multimeter, Blackstar 3225. Two versions of this. The other one is, I think it's MB, which powers off the mains. This is batteries. You've got your AC/DC, got your ohms, your amps, your volts. 200 to 20 mega ohms, 200 microamps to 10, and 200 millivolts to 2000 volts. I don't think it goes any higher than that. But single nick for, I think, 1986 this came out. So, and Blackstar is actually 4 now, so. But I didn't just get one, I has 2. Same model. So, if one doesn't work, I use this for parts, or vice versa. Next thing I've got, which is over here, my Quanta low distortion signal generator. Just zoom you out a bit. You got 1 times 10 times 1K. You got your hertz there. And your decibels there, volts per decibel. Does sine wave and square wave. You have powered this up. I've run it up a 9-volt battery and it seems to work, so it's good to have a mess on with that. Get the oscilloscope out. And the final thing I got was feedback function generator. Let's get you in shot. FG600. Zoom up. Can I zoom up more? Yep, there we go. Powered by mains, it does work. So you've got your sine wave, your square wave, triangle wave, and all the adjustments there. Some interesting equipment here. I'm going to try and work out how I can do a video. I might do a transistor checker shootout, you know, which one's better, and go from there. That might be a video. Might even do like let's open up and have a look at the multimeters. But the main reason I thought I'd do this video is the fact that I'm fairly new to radio repairs and the electronics, and you see the price of some of the equipment. It's a bit, you know, you may think, oh, I'll go out and spend a couple of £1,000 on test equipment, and yeah, it'd be great, and then you might not need all of it. But there is some good second-hand stuff out there, and some cheap stuff as well. So I think it shows that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get decent or half decent equipment. But I was looking at function generators on Amazon before, and I couldn't ever quite figure out which one I needed. But I have used this one, just messing around, and it does the job, you know. But in fact, I might get the Philips oscilloscope down and have a bit of twiddling. 2 seconds and we'll have a mess. Right, so we've got the Philips oscilloscope down, connected up to the function generator, and help you turn the power on. Okay, we've got a sine wave. We can adjust it with that one. And we'll twiddle with that one. So you've got the frequency steps, 0.01, 0.1, yeah, 0.1, 10, 100, K, etc. So we've got sine wave, triangular wave, and yes, I know the probe needs a calibration. Quite fun with, a bit of fun with this. And we've got the triangular wave, look at that. That's yes, I'm still learning about the oscilloscope, so well, the feedback function generator works, so let's see what we can get off the micron. Can't get my words up today. Let's see what we can do with that one. Okay, we've got the micron, and yes, this is not ideal, although you should get some binding posts, but let's put it on square wave and go through 1 volt, and get that. Ooh. Yeah, this is not ideal way of doing it. I really need some binding posts, but there's a square wave. There's your sine wave. Just get that cable out of the way. Let's try and adjust the phone down a bit. There we go. So it works anyway. We've got some output. And yeah, look at them peaks flattening out. Lovely. So there we go. That's it. That's this video done. Obviously, you can see I've got quite a bit to learn about oscilloscopes and function generators. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Until next time, like and subscribe if you want to. It's optional. Until next time, have a good day, good DX73, and see you next time. Take it easy.